Kaya tinanong niya kami kung ano daw gusto namin sa Japan. Sabi ko, hentai.
What is hentai in English?
I don't know.
Ah,
Hentai? Hentai is
The anime.
yeah. Animism. Hentai.
Yeah.
ano mo English kaya ano, no?
Do you know ero?
Oh, no. What's that?
Ero is how can I say? Erotic.
Ah, yeah.
Ano yan?
Ano, erotic mo?
Every say. Philippines.
Philippines.
Maganda hapon!
po, marami.
Dandan po!
Masarap.
Yay!
Dandan po!
Barato.
Dagdag pa.
Maraming salamat po!
Mount Fuji, original price 1,000.
Maraming salamat
Dagdag
po!
pa.
Pagkaping.
Dagdag pa.
Tapos na.
Dagdag pa.
Maraming salamat po, dagdag pa. 1,000.
So, good morning guys from Shizuoka. Pupunta naman kami ngayon ng Tokyo. Nga pala, nung nakaraang nag-Shinkansen kami, ang nasakyan pala namin, business class, iba pala pagka non-reserved seat. Naka-reserved seat kasi kami noon. So mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura nung hindi naka-business class. So hindi rin pala talaga nagpakita sa amin yung Mount Fuji, sayang. Doon pala sa room namin, kita mo yung Mount Fuji. Kitang-kita mo talaga as in malaki. Kaya lang hindi nagpakita. Yung paa lang, paahan, kita. Ayan ba yun sa atin?
10-13 ba yan? Kodama.
Ito siya. Dito na yung train namin guys. So dito tayo guys.
Yan, Tokyo.
Dami na nakasakay.
Yare.
Yari, wala tayong malagyan ng maleta.
Non-reserve naman siya, di ba?
So nandito na kami guys. So ito yung itsura ng non-reserved seat. Yung nakaraan nga kasi business class yun. Actually maluwag naman siya. Maluwag pa rin yung legroom. So kayang-kaya ko muna. Kasi AJ. Siya sa likod kasi puno na. So andito na kami guys dito na kami sa Tokyo. Pupunta muna kaming Airbnb namin para iwan tong mga luggage. Ano yung pahirap? Pakita ko sa inyo. Sheesh! Wala elevator. Kaya? Lakas niya. Sa atin. Sheesh! 20 kilos na naman yan So exercise talaga dito sa Japan. Sakit sa dibdib. Okay, so ito guys yung itsura dito. Dito maraming tao. Medyo
Kabaliktaran ng Shizuoka.
Oo. Dami rin turista dito. Pero balikan ko kayo mamaya guys ha. So dito na kami guys sa Airbnb namin. Ayan.
Pasok tayo.
Sa kasamaang palad, 4th floor kami.
Wala daw elevator.
And walang elevator. So tiyaga-tiyaga tayo. Bagay, dalawang beses lang naman tayo. Isang pataas tsaka isang pababa lang na itong gamit. Kime. Akit ko muna to. Huwag mo to. So yun, naiwan na namin. Medyo hiningal ako. Kasi, bigat pa. Ito muna kami ng uwi, May kami pa sa loob. So, dito na kami guys sa uwi, Bili muna kami ng mga pasalubong para hindi sayang paghihintay namin. Ito siya. Ito yung shopping street nila dito. So, tumatambay yung mga papauwi na ng ano, mga mag-airport na, uwi na ng kanilang bansa. So, dito muna sila tumatambay. Ito guys, daming tao. Di ko alam, mura siguro dito. Mga ano, leather shoes ba yan?
Ganun pa rin.
Hindi.
Ayo, mas konti.
Mas konti ang luwag eh. Ito guys, sabi ko sa inyo,
Tax free.
mga bags na nakalatag lang yan. Pero yung mga luxury nila naka ano. Paparador.
Magkano ang mga ano?
Yan, magkano yung mga coach na yan.
Ito ano na, damage na siya eh. Wala nakalagay.
Anong brand yan?
Coach. Puro nga coach.
Ito 14 no, 14K. So mga nasa ano yun. Kulang-kulang 6K.
Ayan po. Ay, hindi yata ano yan.
So yan guys, yung mga bags nila dito.
Ah,
Ito din guys, yung mga parang ano nila dito, palengke oh.
Ayan yung il. Yan ba yan?
Ilian. Marami silang tinda dito guys sa Ueno. Para tong divisoria ng ano eh. Divisoria ng Pilipinas. Ito mga jacket.
Ito po.
So, pwede ka rin dito mamili ng mga pasalubong.
Bumili nun. Hindi.
Ayan, may ABC Mart din dito. So dyan, mura din daw dyan mamili ng sapatos. Ayan guys, oh. Parang gedli lang. Wala, oh. May palengke din dito. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Lalaki ng crab, oh. Seafoods. Parang mga pata ng baboy. Guys, pata. Ito, duck yata to. Tapos panang manok. Try muna kami guys. Merienda lang, yogurt lang. Hati na lang tayo. Bili kami guys dito ng ano, ng tagwa 1,000 na ano. 1,000 yen na chocolate.
1,000 isa?
Oo. Hindi, 1,000 ano, pesos. Tapos
1,000
ibabalot
pesos.
nila. Sila magde-decide. Ayan, chocolates. Try namin ha. Try
Hindi,
natin.
1,000.
Hindi, 1,000.
You say. Every say. Philippines.
Philippines.
Maganda hapon!
po, marami.
Dandan po!
Masarap.
Yay!
Salamat sa toro.
Dandan po!
Barato.
Dagdag pa.
Maraming salamat po!
Mount Fuji, original price 1,000.
Maraming salamat
Dagdag
po!
pa.
Pagkaping.
Dagdag pa.
Tapos na.
Dagdag pa.
Maraming salamat po, dagdag pa. 1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
Ilan?
1,000.
Kaya?
Dami rin.
Kaya tag-iisa sila.
So, tinikman muna namin guys bago kami bumili ulit.
Kasi baka di masarap eh. Nakinahatihan na tayo.
Parang white chocolate siya, no?
Parang lychee.
Light it. Ito, natikman na namin ito. Masarap
Masarap.
din. Nakakatatlo na kami.
Ito rin. Masarap. Tikman namin para sure.
Ayan.
Baka magreklame pag bibigyan. Isa lang, hati na tayo dyan.
Sarap. Lahat naman nata
Parang
masarap.
coconut.
So, bili ulit kami guys. 8.
8.
Okay!
Isa dalawa sa toro. Barato.
Dagdag pa.
Original price 1,000. Mount Fuji. Pagkaping. More. salamat po.
Dagdag pa.
Oh!
Ay, marami.
Yan guys, bumili kami 8. Mga pasalubong lang. Parang hindi na rin yung nahirapan bumili.
Marami!
Pasalubong ng tamad.
Hirap din kasi mag-isip ng pasalubong eh.
Marami.
Pero masarap talaga siya.
Masarap.
Hindi natin natikman yung Dars.
Ay, dagdag pa.
Ayun guys, daming pinamili no.
Okay, shock da ne. Maraming
Thank
salamat po.
you.
Ay, salamat po.
Dagdag
Maraming
pa.
salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Okay na.
Okay na.
Pasalubong ng
Pasalubong
tamad.
na. Tara tayo.
Kung ayaw niyo mag-isip ng bibilin, ito na lang.
Oo.
Tapos
At
na
least-
yung problema niyo.
Sila na nag-decide. Ito, kung si Ichiran Rami, no? Pero sila dito ano, para...
Kaya lang hindi kasi siya kalasan ng Ichiran kapag ikaw nag-ano.
Kaya nga eh, pag ikaw gumawa,
Kailangan lalagyan mo rin ng mga
toppings nila. Guys, para kang nasa dito, Shibuya Crossing. Dami rin tao.
Ito po.
Para kang Shibuya Crossing. Doon guys, may ano rin doon. Doon banda, Ueno Park. So pwede rin kayo mamasyal doon pagka ano,
Tsaka
pagka
yung
nandito
zoo.
kayo. O, tsaka yung zoo, Ueno Zoo, dito rin yun. Doon din yung banda. Ano, tawid ba tayo? Saan ba tayo? Punta.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Nasa ako sa...
So guys, nag-avail kami ng rickshaw, yung tinutulak dito. So yung napili namin, ito, 30 minutes, 10,000 yen. So sa peso, 30 minutes, 10,000 yen. So sa peso, nasa 4,000 pesos. So for experience lang.
Is it your first ride?
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. Eh, where are you from?
Philippines.
Wow, Philippines. Terima kasih.
No. Salamat.
Salama.
Salama.
Salama ka. Salama. Salama is?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Arigato.
じゃあ、how about hello?
Kamusta?
Kamusta? Ah.
Kamusta?
Kamusta?
Salama.
Hmm.
Galama.
Salamat is thank you. Kamusta is
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
Oh. Okay. Remember.
Yeah.
Japan. Salama is arigato.
Yeah. Arigato.
Oh, you know?
Hmm.
Do you speak Japanese?
No.
No, only arigato.
Only arigato.
Yeah.
Only arigato. Oh, I'm already so special car like Lamborghini.
Oh.
But yeah, but a little bit have to wait. I'm sorry. 1 minute and 2 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you. How long will you stay in Japan?
We've
Diyan na.
been here 14 days.
14 days.
Hindi,
Ay, hindi.
7.
7. Korea. We came from Korea then Japan.
Oh, 7 days Korea and 7
Yeah.
days Japan.
Yeah.
Japan, yeah.
Oh, I see. In Japan, so you will enjoy Tokyo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any other?
We've been to Osaka.
Osaka.
Oh, Osaka. Osaka
And
and
Shizuoka.
Tokyo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing trip. Is it your first time to come to Japan?
No,
Second time.
second time.
Second time. And last time, when did you come here?
Yeah.
Spring.
Spring? Oh, in spring.
Anong
March,
buwan?
March.
April ba yun?
May.
May.
Oh, May?
Yeah.
Oh,
Is
May.
that spring?
May, yeah,
May.
May, spring.
Hmm.
And come here and sit on left side, please. Yes, perfect. This moment. 1, 2.
Minit yung upuan.
Yes, okay. I'll lift up this car. Please lean back.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yoisho.
Oh.
Bigat.
Are you good?
Okay. Let's go.
It's not heavy?
No heavy. I don't feel any weight. Okay, let's
Ayan
go.
nyo guys, binabalance lang nila yan para hindi heavy. Sabi nung isang napanood natin, no? Di naman talaga mabigat. Kasi dapat i-balance mo lang para wala kang maramdaman ng bigat.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, here. Firstly, let me introduce myself. Today, my name is Kun.
Kim.
Kun.
Kun.
K-U-N.
K-U-N.
Yes.
Kun.
And now is 2, 54. So 3.
24.
24.
Yeah. Thank you. ありがとうございます。
Arigato. Ito yung Sensoji Temple.
Yes, this is Raymond.
Yeah.
Main gate.
Main gate
Distance landmark.
Landmark.
Raymond means Thunder Gate.
Mhm.
So there are two gods inside this gate, and they operate the weather.
Okay.
And if you go through this gate, go straight, you can arrive Sensoji Temple.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, dyan tayo nagpababa.
Oh.
In front of us, you can see Asahi Beer headquarters now. And top of the white and bottom of the golden.
Aha.
Yes, that means Asahi Beer mug. Mug.
Okay.
Kanpai. In Japan, cheers means kanpai.
Kampay.
Kampai, yeah.
Let's cheers. Together.
Let's kampai.
1, 2, 3, kanpai.
Kanpai.
Okay?
Okay.
Make this mug. 1, 2, 3.
San
Kanpai!
Almost Japanese people call that building Poo building. Poo.
What's that?
Poo. Poo.
Po, ah!
Ah,
Tayo daw.
pie.
Tayo daw yun, tayo.
Yeah, the shape looks like poo,
Yeah.
but the truth is not. but
Building.
さあ、行ってきます。行ってきます。The truth is, Asahi Beer, that means Olympic pose.
Okay.
Yes, so that means fire.
Fire. Ah, well.
Yeah,
Means fire. Yun.
golden fire.
It doesn't look like fire.
Ano pala yun? Olympic fire.
Oh, Olympic fire.
Okay.
Yes. Firstly, that object stands 3 lines,
Yeah.
but Japan has a lot of earthquakes. So it's dangerous, so raid and cold.
Kinaiintindihan.
Then may ano daw dyan dati.
Ah, okay.
Kaya lang laging lumilindol. Kaya naging ganun.
Do you have favorite Japanese food?
Japanese ano? Food?
Food.
Food daw?
Favorite?
Ano ba?
Do you like Japanese food?
Bibimbap. Sa Korea pala yun.
Hey, what's this?
No, it's ramen. Ichiran.
Chilan?
Yeah, Ichiran ramen.
Oh,
Yeah,
Ichiran.
we like.
Yeah. Yan guys. Tamang takbo lang si kuya. Parang ano kami, takbong pogi lang.
And that bell.
Yeah.
That bell is so special bell
Mm-hmm.
in Japan. Because firstly, that bell has not broken for 100 years.
Mm.
And during war like World War II,
Yeah.
a lot of bell was replaced
Mm-hmm.
from government because make a gun and so make a sword like
Mhm.
that. Yeah. So but that bell's sound is so beautiful, so survive. And now 8 a.m. No, 6 a.m. and only Happy New Year.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They ring the
sometimes
bell.
They ring the bell.
hit
Mm.
bell.
Okay.
And
6 a.m.
long time ago, there are no clock in Japan. So we know the time from that bell's hit. count.
Okay.
For example, 3 times, oh now it's 3 p.m.
Mm.
And 5 times, oh now it's 5 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's important thing for Japanese people.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yan guys, yung bell. Tanya yun. Yan. So yun daw yung silbing orasan nila dito dati. Noon.
Pag 3 beses nag-ring, 3 p.m. na. Kung anong oras na, yun yung
Yan
Ilang
yung
beses
ilang
na
beses na
nagre-ring.
bell. Paano kung alas 12 na?
hindi 12.
12.
Bilangin nila. Hindi mo napansin yung unang ring. So mali ka na.
Mm.
And today I want to show you this gate.
Mhm.
this gate is called Nitenmon.
What? Ah, Nitenon. Nitenon, mom. Yan.
Oh, you can read oh, characters.
Yeah, Nitenon gate.
Yeah. You, I think you read this character.
Kali yata dahil binasa ko.
This gate is also special
Mhm.
because this gate is also has not broken for 100 years.
Oh, 400
Yeah.
years na daw yan, guys.
But this is an incredible thing because this town was burned many times because of war and fire and earthquakes. So this town was burned many times, but this gate survived.
Ah.
Yeah, 400 years.
Years. Yeah.
Incredible. And long time ago, only VIP, like the emperor and the emperor's family, they can only go through this gate. Yeah, it's so near to Census Temple.
Okay.
And from the main gate,
Mhm.
big gate, Kaminarimon gate, Raymond. From Raymond to Census Temple, it's far. Maybe 5 minutes by
5
walking.
minutes swipe.
It takes. So from here, so this gate was used for VIP, VIP,
Oh,
Ah,
yeah,
VIP. Ah, okay.
like you.
So, picture tayo guys dito. So, yung gate na daw na yan, 400 years na rin daw, nag-survive daw yan sa, ano, sa World War. And then, dyan daw dumadaan yung mga emperor na VIP.
VIP lang daw noon ang nakakadaan.
Oh, dyan.
I'll go next spot. Oh, she's my mom.
Oh, really? Ay, sure.
Mama, bye bye. Same age. 21.
Oh, it's young.
No, young. Now we are university students.
Mhm.
Okay, next I'll enter the Asakusa Shrine.
Oh.
Asakusa Shrine is not Buddhism.
Mhm.
This religion is Shintoism.
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 What again?
Shintoism.
Ha?
Shintoism.
Shintoism.
Parang tinuro nga yun nung high school.
Hmm.
Japanese original religion.
It's Shintoism. Okay.
Bye bye.
Yan sila.
Okay, here. May I speak a little bit history?
Mhm.
Okay. About 1400 years ago, there are two brother fishermen. They wanted to catch fish, so they throw a net, but they couldn't catch fish. They catch this size of wood many times, again and again. Oh, what's this? So throw the river, and one more throw net, but again they got this one. So maybe they think maybe this this wood has so strong power. So, but they didn't know what this is.
Mhm.
So they asked the mayor what this is, and the mayor said, "Oh, this one is Buddha."
Buddha.
Buddha, yes, Buddha.
Buddha.
They found Buddha, and the mayor changed his house to temple. Yes, the mayor's house and Buddha inside, and became temple.
Okay.
Yes.
Yun.
So the first three, the temple, the census temple is so small temple, but about 18 times was broken
Mhm.
and remaked up. More about during 1400 years, while 1400 years, more this temple was bigger and bigger,
Oh,
and
okay.
now number one biggest. The number one biggest in Tokyo. Yes, there are so long history.
Yeah.
Yes, and this is religion from India, Buddhism.
Buddhism, yeah. From India.
And this one is Asakusa Shrine.
Okay.
Asakusa Shrine is Shintoism.
Mhm.
Yes, Japanese original religion.
Yan guys.
And in this shrine, I said this temple was built by 3 people, 2 brother fishermen and the mayor.
Mhm.
The 3 people, 3 persons are God in this shrine.
Okay.
Yes, so there are so strong related. Yeah, so related. Yes, related with Shintoism, related to
Buddhism.
Buddhism. Yes, yes. So let's take photo. Last three.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm hentai. Oh, you too?
Eh, tinanong niya kami kung ano daw gusto namin sa Japan. Sabi ko, hentai.
What is hentai in English?
I don't know.
Ah,
Hentai? Hentai is
The anime,
yeah. Animism. Hentai.
yeah.
ano mo English
Ero.
kaya nun, no?
Do you know ero?
Oh, no.
Eh.
What's that?
Ero is how can I say? Erotic.
Ah, yeah.
Ano yan?
Ano, erotic mo?
Erotic anime.
This one more. Do you know Naruto?
Yeah.
Oh, Naruto.
Naruto, Luffy.
Oh, yeah. Naruto, yes, Naruto. And One Piece, Naruto.
Dragon Ball Z and versus Sailor Moon.
Comedy.
Versus Sailor Moon.
Anime is famous.
Yeah.
Hentai anime is famous in Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh, Demon Slayer is also famous.
Yeah.
Tanjiro, Kibutsuji Mudan.
Aha.
Ano daw yun?
Mga bida.
Oh.
Yes, and in this town, and now we are here. We enjoy quiet area,
Mhm.
and the other area, more lively area.
Mm.
That downtown area is anime area.
Oh,
Mm.
okay.
Yeah, like a model of anime. So for example, Tanjiro and Kibutsuji Budan met there.
Mhm.
Yeah. Then, and plus 5,000 yen, about 15 minutes extend, you can enjoy anime town.
Tingnan natin.
Okay.
It's up to
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, let's go. Thank you. The last three, total 15.
Okay,
Okay,
15,000 yen.
I'll call my boss.
Mm.
Hi, do you know?
I will just hear it in the restaurant. They say, hi, hi, it's okay, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
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 Yes. Oh, yes.
So I hear spanking.
Yes. yeah.
Yamete!
Wow, you know.
Yeah.
I really want to know
Mm.
in Japan, like we can say iku.
Iku?
Iku.
What's that?
Iku means like orgasm.
Ah, okay.
Like 発射行くって。
Ah, nilabasan na ako.
In Philippines, what do you say?
Ano nga ba? Parang wala.
In English or in Philippines?
No, we just,
No
Parang
say.
wala.
no said, no said,
no
no
say.
said.
Just, parinig mo.
Just, ah!
No. So you don't say no words.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Mulan na guys, it's raining.
Yes, Raymond Gay.
Yeah.
And we moved to the other downtown area.
Okay.
行ってきます。Bye. Adios.
Actually, di niya talaga pinaperso kasi tignan niyo yung kamay niya.
Relax lang.
Relax lang. Mm.
Usually, do you drink Asahi beer?
I think we already tried that.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oh. In Philippines, Are there beer brands? Asahi, the Heineken,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Corona.
We have that.
Asahi in the Philippines is appliances.
Appliances.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
rice
Asahi,
cooker.
electric fan.
Rice cooker?
Rice
Asahi.
cooker, electric fan.
Ah, electric.
Asahi.
Asahi brand. Asahi is the brand.
Like how the street is called Orange Street.
Mm.
You can enjoy some street food, and especially sweet potato.
Ayun, yun yung gusto ko.
Yeah, sweet potato.
Oh. Do you like Hello Hello Kitty? Hello Hello Kitty.
Okay.
Mhm.
You can buy some your goods.
Yeah.
Charlie.
Kuromi-chan.
Tingin. Ah, yeah. Kuromi.
Yes, Kuromi-chan.
Karami.
My
That's
name is Kun.
Kun.
Name here.
Yeah.
Kun-chan, Kun-chan. You can buy. And she's black and me is name. And this one, sweet potato. And I love sweet potato ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream. And we enter Lucky Street
Oh.
Okay.
Lucky Street.
because there are a lot of Lucky Street. It's called Raccoon Street.
Raccoon?
Raccoon?
Raccoon.
Oh, raccoon pala yun.
There are 12 raccoon in the
Mhm.
street.
There are 12 raccoons daw.
Yes, many raccoon.
Ayun pa isa oh.
Oh.
Ayun pa
And for
isa.
example, this raccoon, in this case, this raccoon has lucky.
Mhm.
And when I touch here,
Mm.
I got his power. And here you are. Now you have strong lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I want to show you one more raccoon. It's for you.
Turo.
Oh, to raccoon.
Yes, the raccoon. And I touch again. And here
Yeah.
you are.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this downtown area is so lively
Mhm.
because there are
So dito daw yung anime
Anime street.
street daw. Ewan ko.
alcohol street. Alcohol street.
Oh, alcohol street.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Izakaya,
Inuman.
you know?
Ah, yeah.
Izakaya is you can eat and drink anything.
Mhm.
In Japan, izakaya is more. Yeah, I love.
So dito guys yung mga ano nila.
Usually, this street is called Hoppy Street.
Mhm.
Hoppy means Japanese original alcohol.
Okay.
The taste is like a beer,
Mhm.
a little bit bitter, and everyone drink hoppy and became happy.
So dito guys yung mga inuman nila yan oh. Parang mga tent. So dito yung parang bar nila.
10,
No.
10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
10 a.m. to 10 p.m. lang. Mga yung binibenta nila.
Here, in the movie, Tanjiro and Kibutsuji Muzan met here.
Okay.
Kibutsuji Muzan, his blood goes the human and inside and became Oni demon.
Mhm.
Demon. Oni? How can I say Oni? Demon.
Ah,
Demon. Became demon. So this street is so famous street
Yeah.
in Japan.
Mm.
Lastly, let's take photo
Okay.
and please make Demon Slayer's pose. Okay?
What's the Demon Slayer?
How do you do it?
Okay, I'll show you next.
Okay.
And do you know that guy?
Who's that?
What's that?
He is thief.
Oh, thief like
Ah.
Lupin.
Yes, stallman.
Mm.
Stallman. And they stole money from a rich man and give the money to poor
Poor,
people.
okay. Just like Robin Hood.
Robin Hood.
Robin
Yeah,
Hood, yes,
just like
yes.
Robin Hood.
In Japanese version.
Mm.
Yeah, he's called Nezumi Kozo.
Mm.
Nezumi means mouse.
Okay.
Mouse boy.
Okay.
Because he stole money. So like mouse. Mouse.
Mouse.
Mouse.
Okay, mouse.
Mouse. Yes.
So, dami na costume guys. Oh.
Firstly, this one. I love this one.
What's the specialty of this one?
Yes.
It's a noodles house?
Yes. Oh, yes. There are
Noodles.
noodles. Of course.
Oh.
And gyoza.
Okay.
The Chinese, Chinese restaurant. And after eating, I recommend this one, matcha ice cream.
Oh, okay,
Matcha
okay.
cafe.
This matcha cafe guys.
Yes, yes, yes. 失礼いたします。恐れ入ります。恐れ入ります。
What are you saying to them? What are you saying to them?
恐れ入ります。
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's like excuse me,
Oh,
Okay.
and more official.
Mhm.
And I really like this one. Now it's not open, but
Mhm.
later it's open.
Okay, Amairo.
It's tempura.
Ah, okay.
Tempura.
My best tempura.
But we just eat the shrimp only. We just remove the breading.
Already.
Yeah. Akala ko yung sinasabi niyang anime na streets, mga anime na tinitinda, mga ganon.
Okay ba?
Yung pala parang parang
Okay. And come back here, okay?
okay. Sa action yung mga
Yes, thank
ginamit
you so much.
Parang scene lang.
scene sa anime. Arigato.
In Philippines.
Salamat.
Salamat. Salamat.
Oh,
Salamat.
Salamat. Not salasa.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Yes.
So,
1, 2, 3.
ito sa tayo guys.
Lakad muna tayo. Bili ako ng sweet
In
potato.
just a moment.
Okay.
ありがとうございます。じゃあ、sorry.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, arigato.
Safety place.
Okay, okay. So, yun. Tapos na kami guys.
Daddy,
Medyo matagal din.
walang barya eh. Bali 15.
Please follow me. Safety place. Thank you so much. And today's
Natandaan mo saan yung
and here you're.
Change.
Thank you.
Arigato
Today,
gozaimasu.
and one more, just a moment. Wanna give you presents. Present for you. Just a moment.
Hindi niya daw kaming presents. Gift.
Okay, here you are. This is next time 10% of coupon.
Okay.
Oh,
No
okay.
expire. You
Oh,
can use
okay.
forever.
Okay, okay.
Okay, arigato.
Thank you.
ありがとうございまし
Thank
た。
you po.
Arigato.
And this way is Kaminaimon Gate. And this way go straight and turn around.
So, ayun guys. Tapos na yung, anong tawag doon? Rickshaw namin. So, enjoy
Ayos
naman.
din.
Kasi, may mga history, mga kwento niya. Every time na tawag dito, may shrine.
Marami din siyang sinasabi.
Hindi ka maboboring
Oo.
na tingin-tingin ka lang.
45 minutes tayo.
Pero
Akala ko rin kanina yung anime street. Puro anime.
Oo. Yung pala, mga ano pala yun,
Scene.
scene dun sa anime. Actually, di ko naman kilala yung mga sinasabi niya.
Hindi kami sa
Hindi
anime.
tayo mahilig.
Yung mga anime lang na yung noon.
Yung noon, yan. Mga
Yung sa
Dragon
TV.
Ball, mga Luffy, yan. One Piece, Naruto.
Mga ganun lang. Pero yung anime na
Ngayon,
hindi namin
naman.
ano.
So, ito yung ano dito. So, ito, nasa side to ng Sensoji Temple. Yung main entrance kasi dun sa kabila. Dito. So, ito, nasa bandang side. Para daw hindi kami mabasa, dito niya kami binaba.